Welcome guys to another video. Today is actually 40 degrees-ish, so it feels like summertime. Right now we're going to be cleaning the bell housing and getting ready to clean the transfer case and put it in the new transmission, which is over there. I have to get it out. But we're just going to be using a wire brush and get all this gunk off of here because it is old. I think I have a rear main seal leak, maybe, because this is pretty covered, but there's a bunch of junk in here from getting it out, so that's my guess. We're gonna get some cleaning done. I got some brake cleaner, and yeah, we'll go from there. Okay, fun fact. When Advanced Adapters shipped this transmission months ago, because that's when I had money, I guess, there's this plate to protect the input shaft. And you have to take that off. It uses 12 millimeter socket. And we're going to take that off so we can clean up, get a new gasket, and use our old one, because this little bit right here is what the slave cylinder attaches to. You see that right there? Goes right in there. There's a little clippy you gotta use to. But for the most part, that's what we gotta do. So I'm gonna do that real quick. You'll get a new seal. Hopefully AutoZone has one. And clean this up, get some gasket maker on there, and slap her on. Simple as that, I guess. Alright, so I got this cleaned up as much as I'm willing to, because I don't want to take too much time, because it's going to get cold again. I got the transfer case pretty well cleaned up. I got to clean the threads on the transfer case. I got to do that still. But I got these bolts cleaned up, and I got them in place here on the transmission. And they do pretty good. I got to make sure everything on that's cleaned up. I'm going to use red Loctite on this. I don't know the foot-pounds of torque yet, but I will get that. What we're going to do is that we're going to put a block on the bottom part of this so it raises the transmission up. We're going to slide the bell housing over it. So let me get a block so we can do that. Okay, so we got our seal in, and we got our plate, cleaned it all up nice and pretty. So it goes in there. Okay, that went pretty smooth, I guess. I don't know. I guess that is gonna. Okay, now we grab our transmission here, and we need gasket maker wherever I put that. Now that we got the gasket maker finally, we're gonna go around the outside of this. Pretty good. Doesn't a lot, but a thick layer, especially around the bolts go, there's a lesser chance of it leaking later. It's not like your valve. It's gonna be ready for conditions to come. Okay, now that that's on, slide this on very carefully. I'll line up the holes. Get our nuts or bolts here. There's that. I believe this was like 13, maybe. I don't quite remember. And I'm going to put some Loctite, some blue Loctite on these bolts and cinch them down. Okay, so one of the things that I didn't find out about was that this seal here, we talked about during disassembly, or actually removing it from the Jeep, is that this seal here is really hard to find. The part number from Crown is 530060110 or 10. And there, you need this to be a good seal. If your old one is okay, maybe you can use it, but the less stuff that's in the clutch bell housing that gets to the clutch, the better. So this guy slips in right up here. This is plastic, unlike the other one, which was rubber. So you can see where it goes right in there. So I'm gonna mess around, try to get it in. I think it goes in like this. And it's not gonna be easy from my understanding, because this is built to stay. So I'm gonna work that in and I'll be back. Just wanted to point that out. Be careful. It's plastic. Plastic is brittle. Okay, so now we got the cylinder here. This one, you're gonna have to twist this a little bit, slide it over the shaft, and just adjust the second one here. It should slide on. And you got this little pin down here. That's gotta line up, just like so. And then you got the gasket there, which I think I put here. The gasket goes here, and you just slip the gasket. There's 2 slits on it. I can just go over each one. And then you gotta orientate it where it lines up with the hole that the gasket goes in. Slightly annoying so far. Also, on the actual slave cylinder itself, there's 2 straps holding it in. Holding it compressed, I guess, is a better term. Make sure to keep that on there, because once you cut those, it's not going to work right the first time. The first time that you compress it, the clutch in, it's going to release those. So, very important to not do that, or no good stuff will happen. Okay. Okay, we're almost there.